What do you see as the difference between the removal time limits and the statute of limitations?
There's a huge difference. This court in Lozano talked about the functional test for statute of limitations. The removal deadline doesn't mean any aspect of that test. It's not establishing a period of time with which a claimant must bring a claim. It doesn't foster the elimination of stale claims. It doesn't provide any certainty about a plaintiff's opportunity for recovery and defendant's potential liabilities. And when we talk about a statute of limitations in the and a presumption of statute of limitations, the reason it's important there is because we are trying to get at what Congress intended. And in the context of statute of limitations, equity is sometimes important because the result of missing a statute of limitations is that the courthouse door closes for that litigant. That is not true here. The courthouse door doesn't close. One of them might close, but there is another courthouse door open for both litigants to potentially have full recovery on claims. So
how do you address the argument of petitioner with respect to this being a functional statute of limitations in this case?
It's not a functional statute of limitations in this case at all. There is no, Enbridge could recover in state court just as it could recover in federal court. And a presumption of statute of limitations doesn't do any work here because the whole tradition of equitable tolling for statute of limitations is a different tradition than the unique tradition here for the removal process. In the removal deadline, the whole removal process is a creature of statute. It is not a creature of common law, and only Congress can set limits on when a case is going to be taken from one sovereign, the state court, and removed to another sovereign, the federal court.
Do you